Alright guys, what's up? Today we're going to be installing new Spec D taillights. Can't see because it's there. Right there on my 2013 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Let's get into it. For this video, all you're really going to need is this 10mm socket. You're going to need these LED converters. You're going to need the gasket, the tail light itself, and of course the car. Let's get into it, guys. So this is my car. It's a bag Genesis Coupe, full bolt-on, stage 1.5 can tune by SFR. It's got a custom trunk setup by Shop Life Boca. There you go. It's got the new AccuAir Endo CVT tank and management. It's on Airlift V2 management struts. So what we're gonna do for this process, we're gonna pop off this cover right here for the taillights, and there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and there's supposed to be a 4 all the way over there. Yep. So I'm gonna take those out. I'm gonna take off the taillight, and I'll update you guys then. Alright guys, so once you have those 4 nuts off that I was telling you about, unclip the factory harness, right, and the tail light should pop right out. Alright guys, I got one of the tail lights out. It's kind of difficult, I'm not gonna lie, a lot more difficult than I thought. There's like this glue material right here on the back. You have to kind of get in there with a flathead or something like that and pry at it, because it's also got like a gasket. It's really weird. But I got one out. I'm gonna install the other one, see how it looks. Alright guys, I kind of got it on and in. I got it all hooked up. So basically you just have to plug the factory harness back in, and then it comes with this LED converter right here. You just plug that into the back of the Spec D tail light. Just tuck it all in right there, and put the cover back on. That's that side done. Now I just gotta wrestle with this tail light, getting it out, and I'll update you guys once I'm finished with that, and then I'll show you the finished product.
Ooh, hear that? Somebody's sliding.